Now what I like about this bag is that it looks complicated to make, but it isn't. It's actually a combination of single crochets and chains and some double crochets for the bottom part of this bag. So you can keep working and making a bigger one starting from round 17 onwards. And I think it will be great if you're using the same color. In my case, I used purple and lilac, and I think the colors match as well, so it's still good anyway. So hope you guys will enjoy watching the last part of the video. In case you have questions, please do not hesitate to comment down below. Okay, I did about 10 rounds, so I am on round 27 now, and to finish it I'm going to work my treble crochet into the first single crochet made on this round, and then round 27 is finished. Now to make the strap, the next thing that we're gonna do is we're going to chain one and we're going to turn. Now once we turn into the same chain space, we're gonna work one single crochet. Now into the next single crochet, we're gonna work one single crochet. Now as you can remember, we're repeating two kinds of pattern. One chain 4, one single crochet and chain 4, and the other one chain 7 in between the 3 single crochets. So what we're going to do next is we're going to chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and into the next, because this is the cross, and we're skipping that because we're forming another cross in here. So we're gonna work one single crochet in there, one single crochet in the middle, and then one single crochet into the next. And we'll be doing that until we have about 4 chain 7 spaces across. We already have one here, and so we're going to chain 7 again. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then into the next one we're going to complete the group of 3 single crochets, one on top of the single crochet, and then one into the chain space. So we have two more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then one single crochet into the next chain space, one single crochet on top, and then one single crochet into the next chain space. So we already have 3, so we're going to work one more. 4, 5, 6, 7, and then one single crochet into the chain space, one single crochet into the next. Alright, so we made the first row of the strap that we're making, and we made 4 chain 7 spaces. And now we're not going to continue working the cross because we're going to form like a triangle for the strap. And so we're going to chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're going to turn again. So once we turn, we're going to work a single crochet in the middle of the chain 7, and we're going to do chain 4 again, and then we're going to complete the cross here, and then chain 4, and then work a single crochet into the chain 7, chain 4 and work a single crochet in the middle, chain 4, work 1 single crochet into the middle, chain 4, 1 single crochet here, and then chain 4, 1 single crochet into the chain 7, and this will be the last of the cross that we're making. We have only 2 here, so we're going to work a treble on the second single crochet. It looks like 3, but when you turn it, it's only 2. So in the second single crochet, we're going to work our treble. 1, 2, 3. So this counts as chain 4 as well. So as you can see, this is forming the strap. Alright, so we finished the first row, and then chain 1 and then work 1 single crochet into here. And as you can see, this single crochet is right next to this one. And on top of this, we're going to work 1 single crochet, but we have to turn it first. So 1 single crochet in here, and then we're going to chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and work a single crochet into the chain 4, and then 1 in single crochet into the next single crochet, 1 single crochet into the chain space, and we'll repeat 2 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 into the next chain space. We're gonna work a single crochet, 1 single crochet on top, 1 single crochet into the chain 2 space, and then chain 7 again. 4, 5, 6, 7, 1 single crochet into the chain 4 space, 1 single crochet on top, and then we're done. So we have the second strap, which only has 3 chain 7 spaces. So the next thing is we're going to chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're gonna go back to those 3 chain 7 spaces, but we need to have to turn first, and then work 1 single crochet into the chain 7, chain 4, 1 single crochet on top to complete the cross here, chain 4, 1 single crochet into the chain 7 space, chain 4, 1 single crochet into the middle of the 3 single crochets there, and then chain 4, 1 single crochet in here in the last chain 7. So as you can see, these are the 3 chain 7s, and then for the last time we're going to work a treble into the second single crochet. So that is what it's looking like. So the handle is getting narrower, and we're gonna move on, and we're gonna alternate the pattern. Chain 1, 1 single crochet into the same stitch, and then turn, and then 1 single crochet into the top. So we made 2 here. Now we're gonna chain 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1 single crochet into the chain 4, 1 single crochet in the next single crochet, 1 single crochet here, and then we're gonna work our last chain 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then work a single crochet here and in the next single crochet, which is the final single crochet for this row. So as you can see, this is forming the strap, and we only have 2 there left. Alright, so now we only have 2 chain 7 spaces, and we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4 chains, and then turn, and then into the next chain 7, work 1 single crochet, chain 4, and complete the across into the next, and then chain 4, and then work a single crochet, and then into the last we're going to do a treble instead. So we're gonna do a treble into the second single crochet. So this is what it looks like, and as you can see, the pattern is really nice. So after that, work a single crochet after chaining 1, work a single crochet in here, and then turn, work a single crochet on top of the single crochet, and then that's the time that we're going to work just 1 chain 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and into the next chain 4 space, and then work 1 more single crochet on top there, and then we're gonna chain 4, and then turn, and then into the chain 7, work a single crochet, and then finally work a treble into the second single crochet. So this is what it's looking like, and we're gonna do that for 3 more times because we will have 4 of these. Finally, we're going to work the chain. So we're going to chain 3, we're going to turn 1 double crochet on top of the single crochet, 1 into the chain space, and we're going to do this 9 more times. 1, 2, 3, turn, and then 1 double crochet into the next, 1 double crochet on top of the beginning 3rd chain of the previous round. So we're gonna do this until we have 10 rows in total of 3 double crochets. So this is what it looks like after working 10 rows of double crochets, and you're gonna repeat that 3 more times. So we're going to repeat this in other 3 sides of this bag to make the market bag. you might get confused where to start, because I know that, okay, so this is the first strap, so where am I going to start next? Now this rim of this bag is equal to the number of straps in here. So after making this strap here, remember we did 4 chain 7 spaces, and this is where we started the strap. So we're gonna start the strap into the next one in here. So there is a cross in the middle, and this is where we're gonna add the strap and the other 3. So this would be the place where you're going to add the strap. So I'm going to show you next once I finished all the straps. I have done all 4 straps, and this is what it looks like. And I made a mistake. I should have, made the tail longer so that I can sew it, join the 2 straps like this, but I'm gonna do something about it. So this one, I have yet to join the 2 together and weave in all the ends after that. So it's a bit shorter, but once you remember when we were at round 17, we're just going to repeat 16 and 17 until we get to the height that we want. And I worked about 27 rows from here to here, but if you're gonna work from round 17 and 10 more, it's gonna look like this. So if you want to make it longer, I'd probably suggest that you might want to do 10 more rounds before you add the strap for this. So you don't have to worry about the strap, because it is dependent on the number of stitches from round 17 onwards, so meaning there are no increases after that, so you don't have to worry on it might not be fit, because as you can see, this is the start of the strap, and it is the middle part, which is the cross, and then the second strap, and so on. So if you're going to check, there's no trace of the join, but it's gonna be looking more attractive after weaving all the ends, of course. So I'm gonna show you next. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, do not forget to hit like, hit the notification bell icon for updates on my next projects on this channel. And also, if you have or looking for some ideas on making a purse, I have made a lot in my previous videos, and you can always check back. Thank you so much, and have a great day.